Human rights and labour welfare risks have been around for a long time, but risk managers need to be thinking about these types of risks now more than ever because the external environment is changing. These risks haven't always had a home within companies, but now with the advent of the UN Guiding Principles on Business and Human Rights, there is for the first time a coherent and consistent view that businesses need to be taking responsibility for the adverse impacts on human rights that they have by virtue of what they do. For UK-based companies, this is even more important because with the Modern Slavery Act that's been enforced since 2015, there's now an explicit obligation to understand and identify what they're doing to address these risks within their business and within their supply chain. While human rights and labour risks sit across lots of different areas of the business, it's really important that you as a risk manager understand how these risks manifest within your particular business, within your particular industry, and have an appreciation of how the situation is evolving so that you're able, as a business leader within your organisation, to understand how to approach and address these risks.
As a risk manager, to mitigate human rights risks, you need to first of all understand the different sets of international and local laws and industry standards that are applicable to your company. Secondly, you need to understand where you're most exposed to those risks in your operations and your supply chain. To do that, you need to clearly map out your supply chain and understand who your internal and external stakeholders are that could be adversely impacted by your business activities and your relationship with those third parties. So based on a good understanding of the legal context and risk assessment, you can then apply a risk-based approach to developing policies and procedures, and you can prioritize on the high-risk third-party suppliers for conducting due diligence and monitoring.